Something big is happening here. Every beam, every panel, every corner is moving forward. The pace is fast, the scale is massive, and progress is unstoppable. Watch as the structure rises piece by piece, shaping the future before our eyes. Before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. It's free and really helps me. Now let's move on to the construction updates. Starting with the Tribuna Side, new glass panels have been delivered and staged on-site, ready for installation. A concrete pump was active in the upper section, something we don't see as often now since most major pours are completed. Workers continue operating inside the elevator shaft structures, and the area looks highly advanced. Watch how scaffolding removal and sandwich panel installation could begin here soon. Structural detailing and finishing works are ongoing across this section. In the VIP ring, floor reinforcement work is visible with mesh preparation underway. Structural connections near the super pillars are being refined, and vertical cores are close to completion with panels installed. Elevator guide rail installation appears to have started, marking the shift toward mechanical system integration in this area. In the south section, crews are actively working on finishing structural connections. Workers on elevated platforms are applying material around slab connections and beam joints. The frontal steel line continues to extend across the section, showing clear structural continuity. Ground-level supports for future louver installation remain in place, with preparation work ongoing for the next installation phase. Sandwich panel installation in the south section is progressing rapidly. In just a few days, crews have significantly expanded coverage across the frontal area and staircase enclosures. Compared to other facade elements, sandwich panels are being installed at a much faster pace. Notice the additional panels remaining pending near the overhang, but overall progress in this zone is highly noticeable. On the lateral side, the fourth radial beam has already been successfully installed, marking another important structural milestone. Materials continue arriving on site, including additional facade components. Structural works remain active across multiple levels, with workers drilling, adjusting, and preparing connection points. Large steel components are still staged nearby, awaiting future lifting operations. In the staircase areas along the lateral side, sandwich panels are currently being installed. The process requires careful coordination due to the size and weight of the panels, with multiple workers guiding positioning from elevated platforms. One staircase structure is more advanced than the other, but look at how steady progress continues as enclosure works move forward. In the next corner section, crews have resumed installing support brackets after a brief pause. Workers are cutting rebar, positioning structural connections, and preparing anchoring points for future facade elements. There is visible activity across both upper and lower levels, indicating that this area is moving steadily into its next construction phase. The north section shows strong structural progress. Welding operations are visible in the upper zones, and prefabricated staircase structures are already in place. Diagonal structural elements appear fully installed, giving the area a more complete framework. See how insulation materials and some facade components are still pending installation. The third tier is steadily expanding, especially on the Tribune Side, where several rows of prefabricated seating have already been installed. The north goal structure is mostly complete, with only upper sections still under temporary support. Notice how additional seating blocks are staged and ready, but wind conditions have limited crane activity. In the final corner, additional ventilation tubes have been installed, although they are not yet fully completed. Support connections for future louvre systems are visible, but full bracket installation has not yet begun. Elevated platforms and crane activity continue nearby, while prefabricated seating elements remain staged for upcoming placement. That's a wrap on today's update. If you enjoyed seeing the progress, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates. See you in the next one.